All right, let's look at this question. We are asked to find the area of the shaded portion. Use pi equals to 3.14. All right, if you look at what we have here, we have two circles here. We have the bigger circle and the smaller circle. All right. So the radius of the smaller circle is known. All right. While the thickness of the shaded portion is also known, but the radius of the bigger circle is not known. So we have to find it. All right. Okay, now what we have here is like having this and this. Okay, this is the bigger circle, while this is the smaller circle. Now carry this smaller one and put here. Alright, now the area we are asked to find is just this place that this smaller circle could not cover. Alright, so that is where we are asked to find. And for us to be able to find it, what we have to do is to find the area of this bigger one, then find the area of this smaller one, then subtract the area of this smaller one from this bigger one. All right, if you watch this is the bigger circle, find the area, then this smaller one is occupying this place. All right, once we will be able to subtract the area of this smaller one, we will now be able to know the area of the remaining portion that this smaller circle could not cover. All right, so that is what we are asked to find here. This is our smaller circle, this is our bigger circle. Find the area of this smaller one, find the area of this bigger one, then subtract the area of the smaller one from the bigger one. And the area of a circle is what? Pi r square. All right, so in this case we are having, for this bigger circle, the area should be pi big R square, while the area of this smaller one should be pi small r square. So we're going to have this. For this bigger one, we're having pi r square. All right, then for the smaller one, minus pi r square. Okay, now this is the formula for finding the area of this bigger circle, and this is the formula for finding the area of the smaller circle. All right, now if we watch here, we have common factors, which is pi. All right, we have pi here, we have pi here, so we are going to have pi open bracket this big R minus small r. So this is the formula we are going to use to find the shaded portion. This formula is what we are going to use, and we have our pi as what? Our pi is equals to 3.14. Then our small r is what? Our small r is, this is the center of the two circles. This is the center. So from the center to this place is the small r, which is r equals to 3 cm. Then for our bigger r, what's the value of our bigger r? If you watch here, we are given the value from here to here as 6 cm squared. All right, and since we already know the value from here to here, so what we have to do to now find the radius from here to here, what we have to do is to add this to this. All right, So for our big R, it should be 3 plus 6, which is 9 cm. So these are the values we are going to use. So we have to substitute these values inside this formula for us to be able to find the area. All right, so let's continue. We are going to have, this remains our formula. So our pi is what? 3.14, open bracket. Our big R is what? 9 cm. So we are going to have 9 squared minus our small r is what? 3 cm. All right, we are going to have 3.14, open bracket. 9 squared is 91. Is 81, sorry. 81 minus 3 squared is 9. So we are subtracting this. 81 minus 9 is going to give us 72. So we are timesing 3.14 times 72. Now, once we multiply these two things together, we will be able to find the area that we are looking for. And multiplying these two things together, we are going to have 226.08 cm squared. We are putting squared because we are looking for area. So we are going to say, therefore, the area of the shaded portion is 226.08 cm square. So we have gotten our final answer. This is the area of this shaded portion. All right, remember I said for you to find it, you have to find the area of the bigger circle, then find the area of the smaller circle, then subtract the area of the smaller circle from the area of the bigger circle. If you cannot remember this formula, all right, if you cannot solve it with this formula, just solve it separately. All right, just find the area of this big one using pi r square. Find the area and keep aside. Then find the smaller one using pi r square. Find the area and keep aside. Then once you have gotten the two areas, then you now have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one for you to be able to get your final answer. All right, so this is just how to solve this kind of question. If you have any question where you are confused, don't hesitate to comment it. All right, and don't forget to like and share this video. Share it to your friends. All right, see you all in my next video.